Hey there, food lovers. Today, and exploring the potential benefits of goat intestine curry, we are diving into the world of gastronomy. Goat meat, also known as mutton or cabrito, is a delicious and nutritious option. It's a great source of protein, iron, and other essential vitamins and minerals. But let's talk about goat intestine curry specifically. This dish is rich in collagen, which is a key component in maintaining healthy skin, joints, and bones. The high amounts of protein found in goat intestine can also support muscle growth and repair. What's more, goat meat is leaner than beef or lamb, making it an excellent choice for those watching their calorie intake or following a lean protein diet. So there it is, the benefits of goat intestine curry may include improved skin health, greater muscle strength, and a reduced calorie diet. Remember to enjoy this dish in moderation and maintain a balanced diet for optimal health. Thanks for joining me on this culinary adventure. If you found this information helpful and enjoyed the video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more food facts and recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!